Welcome to today's tutorial on how to send a picture from your gallery on Gmail using your PC, especially with the new updates. Let's get started. First, the very first step is to open your Gmail account. Simply navigate to your web browser, type in gmail.com, and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look for the Compose button located in the upper left corner of your inbox. Click on it to open a new email window. Make sure to fill in all the required fields. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Add a subject, and if you want, you can write a brief message in the body of the email. Now, to attach your picture, locate the Clips icon at the bottom of the Compose window, or you may see an option that says Attach a File. Click on that icon, and a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your files. Next, find the picture you want to send from your gallery. You can easily navigate through your folders to find the image. Once you've located it, click on the file to select it, and then press the Open button. After the picture has been attached, you'll see it appear in your email. If everything looks good, all that's left to do is click on the Send button, and just like that, your picture is on its way. Sending images via Gmail is now easier than ever, thanks to these updates. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.